Dance performance by toddlers. Purest and most magical phases of life. A world where imagination has no boundaries, dreams float freely like butterflies, and each day unfolds a new adventure. Today, we celebrate the beautiful spirit as the little stars take the stage for the very first performance. They begin with Chinuku Chinuku Andalato, celebrating joy and playful childhood emotions. Then, We Will Rock You, a song about confidence and standing strong, followed by lively Ricky Martini Maurya song celebrating rhythm and fun. Next comes Hamma Hamma, expressing excitement and admiration. Let's cheer for our first troop of adorable toddlers. Students participating in the performance are Ansh, Vedant, Advik, Shreyansh, Avyan, Dakshit, Vivan, Meghna, Giara, Shrinika, and Chakrika. Curtain. Parents, come on, cheer! Full screen cheyandi background. Parents, please be seated, everyone. Do not block anyone's view.
Kicking your can all over the place, singing, we will rock you. We will rock you. ¡Uepa! Un, dos, tres, un pasito para adelante, María. Un, dos, tres, un pasito para atrás. Un, dos, tres, un pasito para adelante, María. Pasito para atrás, aunque me muera ahora, María, un pasito para adelante, María, te tengo que besar, un pasito para atrás, un, dos, tres, un pasito para adelante, María, un, dos, tres, un pasito para atrás.
एक हो गए हम और तुम तो उड़ गई नींदें रे और खन की पायल मस्ती में तो कंगन ये पहली बार मिले तुम पे ये दम निकले तुम पे ये जवानी धीरे धीरे मांगम मचले
Our little stars truly stole the show. Let's hear for them.
We welcome our second troop of toddlers to the stage. Our tiny stars are ready to charm you with their cute moves and joyful energy. Get ready for a fun-filled and colorful performance. Their sweet smiles and confident steps are sure to win your hearts. They will begin the performance with Lakadi Ki Khati, a high-energy song celebrating confidence and playful attitude. Next comes the super catch-up song full of fun and rhythm that will make everyone smile. Then enjoy the beautiful Tamil track Megam Kottatam with speaks about rain and happiness. And finally, నువ్వు వస్తానంటే నేను వద్దంటానా ఏ lively number expressing excitement and cheerful anticipation. And the participants are Rishika, Anvika, Shreya, Aparajita, Pranati. I repeat, Rishika, Anvika, Shreya, Aparajita and Pranati.
तो दीजिए एक जबरदस्त राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर आवर talented little stars as they light up the stage. Parents, applause, come on.
लकड़ी की काठी काठी पे घोड़ा घोड़े की दुम पे जो मारा तोड़ा दौड़ा 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 घोड़ा दुम उठा के दौड़ा
Bailando el ritmo ragatanga and the DJ letting us while on the spot always around to plays the mix that Diego mezcla con la salsa y la baila and he dances y la canta. Hacer ha dehebe tu dehebe se vi uno mama bien de boogie and the boogie repeat. Hacer ha dehebe tu dehebe se vi uno mama bien de boogie and the boogie repeat. Hacer ha dehebe tu dehebe se vi uno mama bien de boogie and the boogie repeat.
అమ్మడి యప్పా అడి అదే
You all did a wonderful job and we are so proud of you. Your bright smiles, enthusiasm and teamwork made this performance truly special. Thank you, dear children. Ground floor. After toddler handover is done, toddler parents can proceed for the lunch. Janvi is celebrating her birthday. We all wish you a very happy birthday, Chakrika. Now let's take a moment to felicitate our wonderful toddler teacher, Mrs. Gayatri, for her unwavering efforts, along with our dedicated support staff Renuka, Radha, for their constant support. They are truly exceptional educators and caregivers. Their patience knows no bounds, and they never give up on any student, always finding new ways to help each one grow and succeed. Okay, once again, Chakrika, many more happy returns of the day, dear. God bless you. For the appreciation. She has been with us since 2019, from the time we started the center. Also, parents, please remember Monday will be a holiday so that our staff and children can rest. And as we've already announced, 4th March will be a holiday on account of Holi, performance by our nursery B3 students. What a spectacular celebration this is. The energy is high and every performance is adding more sparkle to a special day. Now, get ready for a delightful musical medley by adorable nursery B3 Group 1 students. Students will be performing on the beats of Kabhi Tu Chaliya Lagta Hai, a fun and lively song full of cute expressions and joyful energy. Okalaila Kosam, an energetic and vibrant song that brings excitement to the stage. And Zindagi Ek Safar, a happy song that reminds us to enjoy every moment. Now let's welcome our shining stars. Aditi Aishwarya, Samhita Priya, Shrestha Jonna, Bandala Viyan, Vivan Devaki, Devarsh Kakarla, Shanmukha Sri and Agastya. Let's give them a big round of applause, parents.
कभी तू छलिया लगता है, कभी दीवाना लगता है, कभी अनाड़ी लगता है, कभी आवारा लगता है। कभी तू छलिया लगता है, कभी दीवाना लगता है, कभी अनाड़ी लगता है, कभी आवारा लगता है।
तू जो अच्छा समझे ये तुझ पे छोड़ा है,
अच्छा।
तुझसे ये जीवन भर का मैंने नाता जोड़ा है। कभी तू नूरी लगती है, कभी तू झूली लगती है, कभी तू चांदनी लगती है, कभी तू बाबी लगती है। ఒకలైలా కోసం తిరిగాను దేశం, ఒకలైలా కోసం తిరిగాను దేశం. ప్రతిరోజు ప్రతి రాత్రి ప్రతి పాట ఆమె కోసం. లైలా లైలా లైలా.
ఒక మజ్ను కోసం వెదికాను లోకం, ఒక మజ్ను కోసం వెదికాను లోకం. ప్రతి పగలు ప్రతి రాత్రి ప్రతి తలపు అతని కోసం. మజ్ను మజ్ను మజ్ను.
जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. हाँ, जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना. अरे ओले ओले ओ, ओले ओले ओ, ओले ओले ओ, ओले 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 ओ, ओले ओले ओ, ओले ओले ओ, ओले ओले ओ.
Parents, come on, cheer! Cheer! I need not remind you all
की एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना। ओटे ओटे हो, ओटे ओटे हो, ओटे ओटे हो, ओटे 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 हो, ओटे ओटे हो।
What a stunning performance! Nursery B3 students and their captivating display. What a stunning performance, children. Thank you. Please go back to your places, children. It's by Nursery B3, second troop. And now get ready to witness another exciting performance. Up next, we have our energetic Nursery B3 Group 2. These little stars are all set to entertain you with their vibrant expressions, confident steps, and boundless enthusiasm. Their performance is a beautiful mix of melody, rhythm, and fun that will surely keep you smiling. Chala Jata Hu, a cheerful song, talks about enjoying life's journey with a happy heart. Our little ones will bring this classic to life with their joyful moves. Chaiya Chaiya, the energetic and powerful song, celebrates passion and rhythm. Get ready to feel the excitement as the tiny dancers light up the stage. And Oh Maria, this fun and catchy number is full of rhythm, charm, perfect for little performers to show their adorable energy. Performers are Yashvika Muti, Akshaya, Punarvi, Venkat Devansh, Rudraveer, Tejvardhan, Hedvig, Manvik, and Shrestha Tej. Parents, give them a huge round of applause.
चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए। मिलन की मस्ती भरी आंखों में, हजारों सपने सुहाने लिए। ओ चला जाता हूँ किसी की धुन में, धड़कते दिल के तराने लिए।
चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया, छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया, छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया छैया छैया। सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया छैया, सारे इश्क की छाँव चल छैया। पाओ जन्नत चले चल छैया छैया, पाओ जन्नत चले चल छैया। चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया। वो यार है जो खुशबू की तरह, जिसकी जुबान उर्दू की तरह। मेरी शाम रात मेरी कायनात, वो यार मेरा सैया सैया। चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया,
चल छैया 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 छैया, चल छैया 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 छैया।
Your energy and synchronization were truly impressive. Thank you for such a captivating performance, children. Please, everyone, come forward for the group photo. Nursery B3 students and teachers. Now let's take a moment to felicitate our amazing Nursery B3 teachers, Mrs. Sujata Saini and Mrs. Hema, for their immense dedication, patience and unwavering commitment towards their students. We would also like to appreciate our support staff Swati for her constant care and support. Also, here's something special. All the choreography today has been done in-house by our teachers, from song selections to the final performance. No dance masters, just pure passion and teamwork. Let's celebrate them with a big round of applause, dear parents. Swati, support staff Swati, please come forward. Get ready for a beautiful and energetic performance by our lovely Nursery B2 girls. These little stars are ready to fill the stage with grace and joyful expressions. Their performance is a wonderful mix of culture, rhythm, celebration that will surely win your hearts. Students will be performing on the beats of Godari Gattu Undi, Gattu Meeda Chittu Undi. It celebrates nature, tradition and the joyful spirit of village life. Javani Janeman, a lively and peppy song filled with fun, energy and playful expressions. Yari Hai, Yari Re. This song is a vibrant and full of rhythm, bringing celebrations to the stage. Jalanta Kavanta, a melodious and graceful song that adds charm and elegance to the performance. Now let's welcome our shining stars, Kashvi, Naina Anjana, Shanvika, Twisha, Dakshayani, Arna Pandey, Chinmayi, Dhriti, Manvi Sahasra, Abhigna and Shanvi. Let's give them a huge round of applause, parents.
గోదారి గట్టుంది గట్టు మీన చెట్టుంది చెట్టు కొమ్మన పెట్టుంది పిట్ట మనసులో ఏ ఉంది ఓ ఓ, గోదారి గట్టుంది గట్టు మీన చెట్టుంది చెట్టు కొమ్మన పెట్టుంది పిట్ట మనసులో ఏ ఉంది ఓ ఓ,
Parents, come on, cheer! Come on!
जवान जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो निसार हो गया जवान जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवा निसार हो गया शिकार खुद यहाँ शिकार हो गया ये क्या सितम हुआ ये क्या जुल्म हुआ ये क्या गजब हुआ ये कैसे कब हुआ न जानू मैं न जाने वो जवान जान मन हसीन दिलरुबा मिले तो दिल जवान निसार हो गया जोर लगा के नाच रे मिलके धूम मचाए रे चल मेरे संग संग ले ले दुनिया के रंग हो जा
కొండమ్మ కోనమ్మ మెచ్చిందిలే ఎండెల్లు వెన్నెల్లు తెచ్చిందిలే
What an amazing performance, dear children. Please step back. Please step back and stay on the stage for the group photo. So please do not complain that my child was not visible. We are trying our best so that every student is visible on the stage. Boys, these young stars are all set to set the stage on fire with their confidence, enthusiasm and rocking moves. Get ready for the full-on entertainment. One of the greatest gifts of childhood is the courage to dream, wings of dreams that celebrate little hearts that dare to imagine and believe the sky is just the beginning. Students will be performing on the beats of Mustafa Mustafa, which celebrates the special bond between friends and joy of sharing happy moments. Rafta Rafta Dekho Na, a song filled with playful charm, and Jagada Jagada, a high-energy Telugu song expressing excitement and youthful spirit and vibrant energy. Hawa Hawa Yaar Milade, an entertaining song filled with peppy music and cheerful expressions. Centurylu Kotte Vayasu Madi, which talks about youth, confidence and achieving big dreams. Now let's welcome our rocking stars, Rehansh, Bodh Advait, Abhay Rudra, Vedansh, Rivansh, Sai Dhruv Viraj, Jashwin, Shrihan, Shrikar Aditya and Suhrit. Let's cheer loudly and give our boys a huge round of applause as they rock the stage.
Mustafa, kalam ni nestam Mustafa. Mustafa, Mustafa, don't worry Mustafa, kalam ni nestam Mustafa. Day by day, kalam odilo day by day, ayinche shippe friendship Mustafa, don't worry Mustafa, kalam ni nestam Mustafa.
अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आप मेरी लड़ी है, अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आप मेरी लड़ी है, अरे आग जिससे लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है, मुझे जानती है जब से ये मरती है तब से, मैं भी इसे चोरी छुपे चाहता हूँ तब से, दिल में ये मेरे फंस गई, एक कुड़ी फंस गई।
अरे ये क्या कह रहे हो? मैंने ऐसा तो नहीं कहा था।
अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आप मेरी लड़ी है, अरे रास्ता रास्ता देखो आप मेरी लड़ी है, आग जिससे लड़ी है वो पास मेरे खड़ी है। జగడం చేసేస్తాం రగడ రగడ
రగడ తుందేస్తాం ఎగుడు దిగుడు గగనం మేమేరా పిడుగులం మరల మరల జననం రానీరా మరల మరల మరణం మింగేస్తాం భుగల భగల గరడం మా పిలుపే ఢమరుకం మా ఊపిరి నిప్పుల ఉప్పెన మా ఊకలు కత్తుల వంతెన మా దెబ్బకు దిక్కులు పిక్కటిల్లిపోయే రంపం పంపం జగడ జగడ జగడం చేసేస్తాం రగడ రగడ రగడం దున్నేస్తాం ఎగుడు దిగుడు గగనం మేమేరా పిడుగులం మరల మరల జననం రానీరా మరల మరల మరణం మింగేస్తాం భుగల భగల గరడం మా పిలుపే ఢమరుకం
हवा 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 खुशबू लुटा दे कहाँ खुली हाँ खुली जुल्फ बता दे अब उसका पता दे जरा मुझको बता दे मैं उससे मिलूंगा एक बार मिला दे यार मिला दे यार मिला दे
Wow, what an electrifying performance by our amazing boys.
సెంచరీలు కొట్టే వయస్సు మాది బౌండరీలు దాటే మనస్సు మాది సెంచరీలు కొట్టే వయస్సు మాది బౌండరీలు దాటే మనస్సు మాది చాకిరీలనైనా మజా మజా వడీలు చేసి పాడు సోలో ఇక ఆడియోలో వీడియోలో చిరిజోడియోలో సెంచరీలు కొట్టే వయస్సు మాది బౌండరీలు దాటే మనస్సు మాది
Wow, what an electrifying performance by our amazing boys and girls. Take a moment to appreciate our wonderful teachers, Mrs. Kalyani and Mrs. Roja. Your dedication, patience and constant encouragement make a world of difference in shaping our little learners. The love and care you show every day build a strong foundation for their bright future. We would also like to sincerely appreciate our support staff, Lakshmi, for valuable help, care and continuous support. Your efforts behind the scenes truly make everything run smoothly. Work and commitment, we truly grateful. Let us give them a big and heartfelt round of applause. Dhamakedar performance by our nursery B1 boys. These young charms are all set to bring power, energy and full-on entertainment to the stage. With confidence in their steps and excitement in their smiles, they are ready to rock the floor. Sandese Aate Hai, a patriotic and emotional song about soldiers remembering their families and the love from the home. मैं रास्ते से आ रहा था, a fun and entertaining song filled with humor and lively beats. मैं निकला गड़ी लेके, a powerful and energetic song full of celebration and enthusiasm. Now, let's welcome our rocking stars, Tikshan Sai, Rishi Nandan, Vihan Devaki, Vihan Enuganti, M. Devansh, Kritik Vedant Reddy, Gaddam Kritvik, Kanish, Abhijit, Ishandru, Shreyansh Jana, Abdul Rahman. Group 1.
Curtain.
Let's cheer loudly and give them a huge round of applause as they set the stage on fire.
संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, वो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं, चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, कि तुम बिन ये घर सूना सूना है। गड्डी लेके मैं निकला, ओ गड्डी लेके, ओ रास्ते पर ओ सड़क में एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया, ओ एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया। रब जाने कब गुजरा अमृतसर, हो कब जाने लाहौर आया, मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया, एक मोड़ आया, मैं उठे दिल छोड़ आया।
Curtain close.
Wow, what a for young charms. Performance by our Nursery B1 girls. These young charms are all set to bring power, energy, and full-on entertainment on the stage with confidence in their steps and excitement in their smiles. They are ready to rock the floor. Sapnare Sapnare, this song talks about the hopes and dreams filled with happiness and imagination. Simbale Simbale, this energetic Telugu song expresses full play, emotions, and excitement filled with catchy beats and vibrant moves. Let's welcome our shining stars, girls Aditi Chada, Sheikh Saida, Mahira, Takshvi, Vedasri, Sanvika, Vasudha, Alina, Mokshita, Nissi Antonia, Divisha, and Toshika.
चोरी से छुप छुप के मैंने चोरी से छुप छुप के तिनका चुन के सपना एक बनाया। डोरी से बुन बुन के मैंने डोरी से बुन बुन के टुकड़ा टुकड़ा सी के सपना एक बनाया।
సింబలే అంబరాలు అందలే హాయిలే
బల్బలే బల్బలే చేతి కంది మాకు వెండి మబ్బులే
వెంగలమ్మ వేటకొచ్చి ఏరులమ్మ అంబారీలో
తేనెలమ్మ తేనెకొచ్చి మల్లె
mesmerizing performance by our beautiful girls. Every step was filled with energy and sparkle, and you truly made the stage shine brighter today. Mrs. Kalpana and Mrs. Ushasri. Whose dedication, passion, and unwavering commitment to nurturing our young minds make a lasting impact every single day. Your hard work, patience, and care truly inspire us all, and we deeply grateful for everything you do for our children. We would also like to sincerely appreciate our support staff Lakshmi for her continuous efforts and valuable assistance.
Parents, do not rush for pickup. Please wait for 5 minutes and then go for the handover. Please do not rush at once, all the parents. Please go one by one. For PP1, B2 group, first group. Group 1. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to cheer our energetic PP1, B2 boys. These little stars are all set to light up the stage with their confidence, charm, and joyful expressions. Let's encourage them with a big round of applause as they present a vibrant mix of fun, classic, and peppy songs. Tare Gin Gin, a lively Punjabi song full of energy, celebration, expressing love, joy, and admiration. AG OG, a fun and playful song showing happiness and playful interaction. Mere Sapno Ki Rani, a charming and dreamy classic melody. An Arabic song, a song with Middle Eastern beats filled of attitude, confidence, and style. Students participating in the performance are Sayansh Bisoy, Trishan Aryan, Siseti Rayansh, Jinara Mrudvik Reddy, Manish Kundan, Jaydev Mannam, Vihan Somu, Ritvik. Let's cheer them for our little stars as they shine on stage.
याद च तेरी मैं ता जागर रातां नूं रोक ना पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं तारे गिन गिन याद च तेरी मैं ता जागर रातां नूं रोक ना पावां अखियां विचों गम दियां बरसातां नूं हो 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 इश्क तेरा तड़पावे
My name is लखन सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन ए जी ओ जी लो जी सुनो जी मैं हूँ मन मौजी करता हूँ मैं जो वो तुम भी करो जी 1 2 का 4 4 2 का 1 My name is लखन My name is लखन सजनों का सजन मेरा नाम है लखन
मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया मेरे सपनों की रानी कब आएगी तू आए रुत मस्तानी कब आएगी तू बीती जाए जिंदगानी कब आएगी तू चलिया तू चलिया प्यार की गलियां बागों की कलियां सब रंग रलियां पूछ रही है।
والله ها فلبرة تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة عندي لك رقصة قوية يا الحبيب سمع صبوحة خطبها تعطيها كف وهز شت بكير خليك شبيب عطني رقصة فريسة زيد عليها شوي عندي بيزة حق المحتر اللي نعرفه صيده سوي لي بك بدار هيبة هيا سوي رقصة بياض يبلي واحد كرك يلا بياض طق سيارة بوليس يلا يلا سوي لي رقصة ثانية رقصة البطريق ولا ستة في ماي يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة يا اخي تفوز عندي خوش فصلة يا اخي تفوز والله خوش رقصة حلو زين مكانه حلو ديكوريشن ماله حلو سوي رقصة المارشميلو ربعنا هبو كله كامل كلو.
Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a delightful and energetic performance by our charming PP1B2 boys and girls. These adorable pairs are all set to entertain you with their confidence, expressions, and joyful moves. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause. They'll be performing on the songs of Raat Baki, Baat Baki, filled with joy, fun, and enjoying every beautiful moment. And Kya Khoob Lagti Ho, perfect song for a charming and graceful duet performance. Dhal Gaye Din, a cheerful and playful song. And Intezar Ho Gaya, a dramatic, expressive song, adding charm and energy to the stage performance. Students performing are Bhuvanashri, Gopal Ashwik, Aisha, Rudransh, Prasanna Virupaksha, Dakshit, Parnika, Advik Vellanki, Debadrita, and Advait. I repeat, students performing are Bhuvanashri, Gopal Ashwik, Aisha, Rudransh, Prasanna Virupaksha, Dakshit, Parnika, Advik, Debadrita, and Advait. Come on, cheer!
रात बाकी बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जा मुझे प्यार से सोचो ना देखो तो देखो हाँ जाने जा मुझे प्यार से रात बाकी बात बाकी होना है जो हो जाने दो
Parents, come on, cheer!
क्या खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो क्या खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो
दिल से कहो कहते रहो अच्छा लगता है जीवन का हर सपना अब सजना लगता है
क्या खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो क्या खूब लगती हो बड़ी सुंदर दिखती हो तो आई हो, अभी अभी जाना है।
ढल गया दिन हो गई शाम, जाने दो जाना है।
इंतहा हो गई इंतजार की, आई ना कुछ खबर मेरे यार की। ये हमें है यकीन बेवफा वो नहीं, फिर वजह क्या हुई इंतजार की।
What a spectacular performance by our little stars. Their confidence, coordination, and joyful expressions truly lit up the stage. Beautiful performance. We would also like to take a moment to express our heartfelt gratitude for the entire year's dedication and hard work. A very special thank you to Mary ma'am and Akshaya ma'am for their continuous guidance, patience, nurturing care throughout the year. Your commitment to shaping young minds, encouraging confidence, and supporting every child's growth has made a lasting impact. We truly appreciate your passion and dedication. Thank you, Mary ma'am. Akshaya ma'am, please come forward. We also extend our sincere thanks to our wonderful sub-staff member Padma for her constant support, care and assistance. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to witness an adorable and heartwarming couple dance performance by little stars of PP1B1. These charming pairs are all set to fill the stage with grace, expressions and joyful energy. Let's encourage them with a big round of applause as they begin their delightful performances. They'll be performing on the songs Pyar Hua, Ikrar Hua, an expressive song about friendship, affection and togetherness. Janu Meri Jaan, a song filled with admiration and cheerful bonding. Aaku Chaatu Pinde, a style song filled with fun and village celebration vibes, which highlights happiness and joyful cultural energy. Students performing are Lakshay, Shrestha, Rushank, Danvika, Kritvik Kauri, Suvishka, Skanda, Vedanshi, Dakshinesh, Chobika. I repeat, students performing are Lakshay, Shrestha, Rushank, Danvika, Kritvik Kauri, Suvishka, Skanda, Vedanshi, Dakshinesh and Chobika.
Not now when the music starts.
से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल। प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल। कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है दिल।
कहता है दिल रास्ता मुश्किल मालूम नहीं है कहाँ मंजिल।
प्यार हुआ इकरार हुआ है, प्यार से फिर क्यों डरता है। जानू मेरी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान। जानू मेरी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान। अरे मैं तेरा तू मेरी जाने सारा हिंदुस्तान। मैं तेरा तू मेरी जाने सारा हिंदुस्तान। जानो मेरी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान। जानो मेरी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान। अरे मैं तेरा तू मेरी जान सारा हिंदुस्तान। मैं तेरा तू मेरी जान सारा हिंदुस्तान। ఆకు చాటు పిండ తడిసే కొమ్మ చాటు పువ్వు తడిసే। ఆకు చాటు పిండ తడిసే కొమ్మ చాటు పువ్వు తడిసే। ఆకాశ గంగొచ్చింది అందాలు ముంచెత్తింది, గోదావరి పొంగొచ్చింది పొంగుల్ని ముడిపెట్టింది।
గోడు చాట గువ్వ తడిసే గుండె మాట గుట్టు తడిసే। గోడు చాట గువ్వ తడిసే గుండె మాట గుట్టు తడిసే। ఆకాశ గంగొచ్చింది అందాల ముంచెత్తింది, గోదావరి పొంగొచ్చింది పొంగుల్ని ముడిపెట్టింది।
Performance by our little couples. Thank you, children. Please step back for the next performance. PP1 B1 Group 2 performances. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for another power-packed and entertaining performance by our energetic PP1 B1 Group 2 students. These little performers are all set to impress you with their confidence, expressions, and vibrant dance moves. Let's cheer them on with a big round of applause. They'll be performing on the beats of Chota Bachcha Jaan Ke. A song playfully says that children should not be underestimated. They're smart, confident, and full of talent. And Hai Apna Dil To Awara, expressing a free-spirited, happy, and light-hearted attitude. Made in Andhra student, a fun and energetic song celebrating regional pride and confidence. Ramba Ho Ho, a lively and rhythmic song filled with excitement which will bring fun and energy to the stage. Students participating in the performance are Sai Nivisha, Viviksha, Vihan Gattu, Ritik, Kritik Bachu, Hayan Ram, Chatresh Amol, Ashrit, and Ishan Raj. Let's welcome them with a huge round of applause, dear parents. Children, don't move from your places.
ना जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, ना जाने किस पे आएगा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यही ना समझा। हसीनों ने बुलाया, गले से भी लगाया, बहुत समझाया, यही ना समझा। बहुत भोला है बेचारा, ना जाने किस पे आएगा, है अपना दिल तो आवारा, ना जाने किस पे आएगा।
रंबा हो,
Parents cheer! Come on!
रंबा हो, संबा हो, मैं नाचूं, तुम नाचो, जितनी तुम प्यार से जी लोगे उतनी ही जिंदगी। रंबा हो, संबा हो, मैं नाचूं, तुम नाचो, जितनी तुम प्यार से जी लोगे उतनी ही जिंदगी। रंबा हो, संबा हो,
Made in Andhra student ante అర్థం వివరిస్తా, నలిగిన డ్రెస్ కొంత, చదివిన క్రాఫ్ కొంత, ఎవరు అనుకోనంత, వింతగా ఉంటే చెత్త. కితాక తక దిగి దిగి తక తక దిగి దిగి తక తక తా. అరే మేడ్ ఇన్ ఆంధ్ర స్టూడెంట్ అంటే అర్థం వివరిస్తా, నలిగిన డ్రెస్ కొంత, చదివిన క్రాఫ్ కొంత, ఎవరు అనుకోనంత, వింతగా ఉంటే చల్తా.
What an energetic and fantastic performance by our little stars. Thank you, dear children. Everyone, come forward. These wonderful performances. We would like to take a moment to sincerely appreciate the dedication and hard work for our teachers throughout the entire year. A heartfelt thank you to Geeta Swati ma'am and Nagarani ma'am for your continuous guidance, patience and commitment. Your love for teaching, constant encouragement and tireless efforts have helped our little ones grow in confidence, knowledge and creativity. Behind every confident child on the stage is a teacher who believed in them, trained them and supported them every single day. Your year-long dedication has truly made a meaningful difference in their journey. Let's give a wonderful round of applause for our teachers for their incredible support and efforts. Parents, do not rush immediately after the performance. Please go one by one. and wait for teachers to hand over.
Just been a leader, but a pillar of strength for this institution. Our center head, Sweta. Sweta joined us in April 2019, and over these past 6 years, we have watched her pour her heart and soul in this center. When we talk about dedication, Sweta's name is the first that comes to the mind. Her passion for early childhood education has been driving force behind the quality of care and learning our students receiving every single day. Perhaps the greatest statement to her character was during the COVID pandemic. When the world felt uncertain, Sweta stood tall. She didn't just manage the transition of online classes, she mastered it. She ensured that our children didn't lose a single day of learning and standing by the staff and parents with unwavering support. She was the calm during the storm, and we are here today of that resilience. It's time to welcome our adorable PP2B2 Group 1 performers to on the stage. These little stars are ready to charm you with their graceful moves, sweet expressions, and joyful energy. Students will be performing on the beats of Japam 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 Konga Japam, bringing cheerful mood to the stage. Mere Dil Gaya, reflecting positive fun and care, celebrating. Chandini, Oh Meri Chandini, and Sona Kitna Sona Hai, expressing admiration and affection. And it's time to disco, a fun, high energy song celebrating dance, enjoyment, and party spirit. Performances are Samhita and Ayan Sai, Krutika Nihan, Srinidhi Sai Devansh, Amaira and Jaisai Rihan, Tanvita and Lavyansh. A big round of applause for them.
జపం జపం కొంగ జపం తపం 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 దొంగ తపం జపం 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 కొంగ జపం తపం 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 దొంగ తపం నేనే బ్రేకేశ కాలానికి నేనే కాపేశ అందానికి
మగసిరిలో సొగసరితో ప్రతికినతో ఇహం పరం నిరంతరం
मेरे दिल गाए जा जुज़ु जुबी 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 मस्ती में गाए जा जुज़ु जुबी 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 मेरे दिल गाए जा जुज़ु जुबी 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 मस्ती में गाए जा जुज़ु जुबी 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 हे जुबी 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 हे हे जुबी 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 हे हे जुबी 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 जू जू जुबी 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 जू जू जू
रंग भरे बादल से तेरे नैनों के काजल से मैंने इस दिल पे लिख दिया तेरा नाम चांदनी ओ मेरी चांदनी रंग भरे बादल से तेरे नैनों के काजल से मैंने इस दिल पे लिख दिया तेरा नाम चांदनी
दीवाना क्या खुल के झूमो खुल के गाओ आओ आओ ये खुल के कहो It's the time to disco It's the time to disco कौन मिले देखो किसको It's the time to disco
What a delightful and heartwarming performance by our little stars. Their confidence, coordination is one of them. So on note, get ready to the welcome our confident and vibrant PP2 B2 Group 2 performers. These wonderful young stars are ready to light up the stage with their expressions and rhythm and joyful energy.
They'll be performing on the songs of Chilkamma Chitkenga, Tere Rang Balle Balle, हम है राही प्यार के and the performances are Kriti Nandana, Saket, Hanvika, Shyam Ashrit, Trishika Gupta, Vaidek, Divanshika and Ivan Isaac. Parents, come on, cheer them.
చిలకమ్మ చిటికే ఎంట నువ్వు రాగాలే పాడాలంట ఇక సాగాలి మేళాలంట నీ సరదాలే రేగాలంట
ఓ చిన్నోడా పందిరి వేరా ఓ రోజా పూ మాలే తేరా ఈ చిన్నదాని మెడలో వేరా నడివే ఎంత సందడి చేరా
ఆ కక్కరిగాడే ఆ ఈ బుల్లోడే నన్ను కట్టి వేసే మనగాడెల్లేడే हसीना जुल्फों वाली जा रे जहां चाहे मुझको जंगली कह दे सारा जहां महफिल तो फिरे याहू दिल करे महफिल तो फिरे याहू दिल करे बदन पे सितारे लपेटे हुए हर जन्म में रंग बदल के ख्वाबों के पर्दों पे हम खिलते हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते हम है राही प्यार के फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते जय जय शिव शंकर काटा लगे न कंकर चाहे कुछ कर ले जमाना मेरे जीवन साथी मेरे सपनों की रानी जिंदगी सफर है सुहाना कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे ना सुना कीजिए चैन आए मेरे दिल को दुआ कीजिए हर जन्म में रंग बदल फूलों पे हम खिलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते, हम है राही प्यार के, फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते।
We'd also like to express our heartfelt gratitude to our wonderful teachers, Mrs. Kirti and Aruna, for their every long dedication, patience and encouragement. Your guidance has helped shape our children into confident and joyful learners. Our caring substaff Devi for her continuous meaningful, successful and memorable for our little ones. Let's give them a big round of
And Group 1 boys. Now it's time for our amazing PP2B1 Group 1 boys to shine on stage. They have practiced with great enthusiasm and dedication, and their performance today promises to be truly delightful. We are excited to see their hard work come to life. They'll be performing on the songs of Mera Juta Hai Japani, which celebrates pride in one's identity and reminds us that no matter where things come from, our heart belongs to our homeland. Boom Boom Chikinaka, a playful and energetic song. Sara Zamana Hasino Ka Divana, a lively disco style song expressing style, confidence and charm. Dil Na Diya reflects emotion, enthusiasm, and the performers are Vian Sinha, Satvik, Tanvik Sai, Vedansh, Kushal, Ram Nitilaksh and Bhavesh. I repeat, Vian Sinha, Satvik, Tanvik Sai, Vedansh, Kushal, Ram Nitilaksh and Bhavesh. Parents, come on, cheer our youngsters. Please do not wave, parents. Please do not wave. They'll get distracted.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी।
లోకమంతా ఒక్కటవ్వాలోయ్, బూమ్ బూమ్ చికినక మనుషులంతా మనసు విప్పాలోయ్, బూమ్ బూమ్ చికినక లోకమంతా ఒక్కటవ్వాలోయ్, బూమ్ బూమ్ చికినక మనుషులంతా మనసు విప్పాలోయ్, ఏ యుద్ధం ప్రళయం వద్దు అంటూ చేతులు కలపాలోయ్, ఏ పంద్యం పంతం.
Parents, cheer! Very few are left. Come on, cheer your children. Cheer for your students.
हसीनों का दीवाना, समाना दे दो, बुरा है दिल लगाना।
दीवाना जमाना कहे फिर क्यों बुरा है दिल लगाना ये सारा जमाना
What a fantastic performance we laid. But this doesn't happen daily, right? So our children can wait for today. Graceful couple dance performance by our wonderful PP2 B1 students. These adorable pairs are all set to fill the stage with expressions, rhythm and joyful energy. They'll perform on the beats of Koi Yaha Aha Aha Nache, encouraging everyone to forget worries, enjoy that moment and celebrate life with music and dance. Haira 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 Abba, a song expressing admiration, joy and heartfelt feelings. Kisi Disco Mein Jaye, which encourages us to forget worries and just enjoy the moment. And Divanagi Divanagi celebrates excitement and the thrill of performing with full energy. And the performers are Arnav Ronet, Jatin, Shreyan, Suhrud, Manirudra, Devansh, Sanaya Sinha, Shanaya Moturi, Adya, Pari, Trishika Muti and Lisha. The performers are Arnav Ronet, Jatin, Shreyan, Suhrud, Manirudra, Devansh, Sanaya Sinha, Sanaya Moturi, Adya, Pari, Trishika Muti and Lisha. Let's welcome them with a big round of applause as they begin their performance. Ma'am.
नाचे नाचे कोई वहाँ आहा नाचे नाचे सारे हंसी आहा नाचे नाचे सारे जवा आहा नाचे नाचे औवा 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 कोई यहाँ नाचे नाचे कोई वहाँ नाचे नाचे सारे हंसी यहाँ नाचे नाचे सारे जवान नाचे नाचे औवा औवा तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार औवा औवा मानो ना मेरे यार औवा औवा तुमसे है तुमसे प्यार
हर 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 रब्बा हर 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 रब्बा हर 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 रब्बा हर 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 रब्बा 50 kg ताजमहल नाका फ्लाइट తెచ్చిన నందవనం నాకే నాకా देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी, धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी। दिल भर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे हैं, आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं। अगलो होश नमी दानम, हम है दिल है और जानम, बस दीवानगी 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 है। ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर, ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर, बस दीवानगी 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 है। All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti Om।
All the cool boys, come on, make some noise. They'll say,
Om Shanti Om।
What a graceful and delightful performance by our little couples. A big round of applause for them.
Yeah. Parents, the students will remain, B1 students will remain until the national anthem. After that, we'll hand over. There is vote of thanks by PP2 students.
A heartfelt gratitude to our wonderful teachers, Mrs. Sunita and Mrs. Manasa, for your dedication, patience and constant encouragement throughout the year.
Mansa ma'am, please come forward. To appreciate our center manager. We sincerely appreciate our center manager, Mrs. Prasanna Lakshmi, for her dedication, leadership, and care shown throughout the year. Your guidance, coordination, constant support have helped us create a safe, happy, and well-organized learning environment for our children and staff. Thank you for your hard work and commitment to our preschool's growth and success. For vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for your time. Very happy
To celebrate our annual day
to celebrate our annual day
with our parents,
with our parents, teachers, sub-staff, and friends.
a big thank you.
A big thank you to our teachers for teaching and guiding us every day,
And to our sub-staff
and to our sub-staff
for taking such good care
for taking such good care of us and our school.
Thank you to our parents.
Thank you to our parents for your love,
And thank you to our friends.
and thank you to our friends for practicing and performing together. We had lots of fun.
Lastly,
Thank you all for coming and cheering us. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.
so like to felicitate our drivers who drive our kids safely home and to school daily. I call upon stage Nadmiti Shiva and Kolla Shivdu onto the dais, and our security staff Soumita as well.
Nadimiti Shiva. To the close of this wonderful celebrations, my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made our graduation day and annual day 2025 and 26 truly memorable. A special thanks to our dedicated teachers for their tireless efforts, patience, and commitment to nurturing our children's growth. To our dear parents, your constant support and trust inspire us every day and help our young learners flourish. Your enthusiasm, confidence, and hard work made us all extremely proud. Finally, thank you all for being part of this special day and for your continued support towards First Cry Interditors Bachupalli. Wish you all a pleasant evening ahead. Thank you. Let all rise up for the national anthem.
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Dear parents, just wait. We also have another person to appreciate. Our technical staff person, Munna. He's also working on a Sunday. I request Munna to come forward, please. He's always behind the scenes, tirelessly working hard for every event.